Cause this is the life of a dance. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What? The life of.
Yo, what up guys? Bless up everybody. You don't know. You get it? We're back at it. Back at the vlogging. Full strength. You don't know. Today is Ital Tuesdays. You hear me say? Ital Tuesdays. Bruh. Ital Tuesdays today. We're going down to a restaurant at Marketplace named Me Hungry. Great restaurant, great food. They have natural drinks. We're going to check it out. But this is the second episode of Ital Tuesdays. You don't know. We started out this one. We wanted to do a whole heap of episodes, but COVID came, slapped with everything. So what we're doing now, we're getting back to it. So Ital Tuesdays today down at Marketplace, Me Hungry, Ital restaurant. They have a great pizza down there. They have a lot of different sandwiches. They have a lot of different ways they cook food. Even some ways I've heard of that they have food that them do raw. So we're going to check that out. So me and the wife going down there today. Ital Tuesdays in Jamaica. Dad's Life YouTube channel. This is Lord High the Dads. Check it out. Boom. We're about to hit up Me Hungry. Respect you, you know. Everybody tune in. ItalTuesdays. Big up yourself. We reach Me Hungry. Smells good. Smells good. We got one of the lemonade juice natural drinks, and we got one of the green juice vegetable drinks from Me Hungry. They are famous for these drinks. They have all different types. They have actually smoothies as well with natural ingredients, nutmeg, all kind of different ingredients. You need to check it out. But this time we took the natural green juice and we took the lemonade. We also the natural pizza, all natural ingredients. You see me? Most like not even cooked, and them say this is actually the greatest type of food to eat for consumption, for those people that have irritable stomachs, for those people that always saying them want to lose weight. This is the type of food you eat. All natural, vegetarian, plantain topping, tomato topping, vegetable toppings, and the natural pizza. So this is it. That's what we got. We got the natural pizza, we got the lemonade, and we got the vegetable green juice. So that is where we pick up from Me Hungry. So guys, we want to thank everybody for tuning in. This has been Ital Tuesdays. You don't know, Me Hungry at Marketplace. We ran out, we just got takeout. You know, everybody not really doing dining anyway, so we did the takeout. We got the natural pizza, we got the lemonade, and the vegetable juice. Yo, this is the type of food we're going to be showcasing on Ital Tuesdays. We want to thank everybody that's all about the healthy living, all about the vegan lifestyle. You don't know, this has been Lord Hyder Dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel. Boom.
Dads of Dads Entertainment. Yeah. Dads. Check. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What? The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad. Tell him. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What the life of hello, dads. Sons and daughters, I'm your long lost father. This is what I do, let me show you my artwork. You gotta love it, if you a hater, it's torture. Soon as I get my fame, my aim touch them all first. Cause I'm fresh like I came up out the water. Yeah, not fishing, not swimming. Been out of control since I came up on the riches. Now just my cologne get me 7 digits. Now I'm picking women like not her. No, yeah, you, please excuse me, you look proper. Yeah, she heard that I'm a rapper. You know I had to pop her like I'm the bad guy. Yeah, I made